So the first myth that we hear a lot is that AI in cybersecurity means complete automation, no human involvement needed whatsoever. The machines are going to take all of our jobs. Why do people think this, and what's the reality?
Yeah, I think that people are seeing too much of sci-fi movies those days. And they believe that Skynet is about to take over and they're going to take everything and our job and everything, specifically people in security. And to be honest, I love everybody. But when you really think about it, right now in security, we're lacking between 1 to 3 million open position in the US. That's alone basically generate a different situation that basically enable us to actually take advantage of the situation and saying the following. We have to split the work to the thing that human are worth paying their time and attention to do, and the thing that we need to give them the machine to do the work. For example, all the toil and the boring work needs to be something that the AI is doing for us. And people need to be able to shift up to be much more strategic in their day-to-day, and to be honest, to do kind of what people are tuned and very good off doing versus give those things to a human being or actually give the boring stuff to the machine.